Hi my fellow beauty buffins. The power of Beauty Blast lies in its carefully selected vegan-based ingredients. Ingredient number 1, tremella mushroom, which is known as the beauty mushroom in the East. It's loaded with vitamin D in its most bioavailable form and has scientifically shown to improve skin hydration, improve wrinkle depth, protect against collagen loss after UV exposure, and reduce inflammation. Ingredient number 2, Jew's ear mushroom, is highly prized for its many health and longevity promoting abilities, scientifically shown to promote pro-collagen biosynthesis in the skin cells and to increase hyaluronic acid synthesis, thereby hydrating the skin and protecting against loss of elasticity. Ingredient number 3 is cauliflower mushroom, which is an extremely unique medicinal mushroom rich in verataric acid, a molecule known for its antimicrobial, anti-irritant, and antioxidant properties. Cauliflower mushroom has scientifically shown to protect the skin cells by inhibiting UVB-induced DNA damage and to promote collagen synthesis by promoting and increasing healthy fibroblast cell activity. Ingredient number 4, sakura flower extract, the same ingredient chosen in our beloved face blossom. This sacred flower has been prized in Japanese culture for its skin perfecting abilities. Scientifically shown to reduce pigmentation, lighten skin tone, enhance fibroblast activity, and prevent fibroblast apoptosis, which is cell death. Promotes type 1 collagen synthesis in the skin and prevents sagging by protecting the cells against AGE damage.